Hello and welcome to my channel Vidyarthipoint. Rain. I love rain. When I was young, I loved a rainy day because I could stay at home and enjoy the pitter patter of the raindrops on my window. I would often step outside my house, and if my mother was busy in the kitchen, I would get drenched. My mother scolded me, but I enjoyed getting wet. Even now, when it rains, I refuse to carry my umbrella or my raincoat and enjoy a shower under the open sky. Such activities have their side effects too. After getting wet in the rain, I often start sneezing and then fall sick for 2 days. I know my mother does. I know my mother does not like rain because she thinks rain makes me ill. But even during the 2 days that I spend at home, lying on my bed in fever, I stare at the sky. When it turns grey, signaling the arrival of rain, I smile. At that moment, my mother usually comes and gives me a stern look as she closes the window. Then, when the rain starts, and tiny droplets of water cling to my window pane, then nothing is visible through it. I like to get up from my bed and walk towards the window. I always enjoy the spectacle of get up from my bed and stares towards the window. I always the spectacle of a rainy day. I always enjoy the spectacle of a rainy day from my window because I just love rain. Thank you.